Hi, this is Christian Harris for Hot Property Online. On today's show, we're going to talk about a few things. A, the most recent Bank of Canada announcement and how that affects people. B, why are the lenders asking for so much paperwork, and more paperwork. And 3, renewals from one specific lender. And you may have used to know them as ING, they're now Tangerine. We're going to talk about that on today's show. Hope you enjoy. Talk today about the most recent Bank of Canada announcement, and Groundhog Day, as always, rates did not change, and we've been hearing that for 6 years now. You know, a lot of our variable clients right now have a 1 in front of their interest rate, 1.95, 1.9, and you can't do any better than that. If you're in a variable today, stay with a variable. It's a great product, great rate. You've done very well for the last 5 years of your mortgage. If you are renewing today, sit down, talk to a broker, look at the difference between fixed and variable because it's not a big spread right now. We're not big on predicting where the prime rate's going to go in the next 5 years because even the experts don't know that. However, the spreads are a bit different. The discounts are not as deep. So if you're in a variable today, be happy every time the Bank of Canada governor comes out and says we're not touching rates. Stay until maturity. If the bank calls you and says you should look into renewal, don't do anything until the absolute 11th hour maturity date. But when that time comes, sit down, talk to your broker, and look at kind of the spreads between fixed and variable and decide what's best for you and your family. Thank you very much. My name is Christian Harris, and again, we're here with Thomas Squires, 2-time nominee for Underwriter of the Year in town for the CMA Awards tomorrow. Thomas, a lot of our clients at MonsterMortgage.ca think that we ask for a lot of paperwork, and we do. We always blame the bad guy and say, it's they're asking for it. You're not the bad guy, you're a very good guy, but you're the lender. Can you explain why the paperwork is a lot more than it was, say, 5-7 years ago?
For sure.
From a client's point of view.
So a lot of it stems from what happened down in the States with their meltdown for their housing markets. The lenders never got a little aggressive. They were not asking for anything. The ninja loans, the no income, no job applicants, right? They were getting through and going through, and everybody was getting foreclosed on when the prices started to fall down. We have been asking for more paperwork in the recent past, I guess. Part of that, every lender interprets B20, which is the rules that OSFI sets and governs us. So everybody governs, well, what does B20 actually mean? It can be interpreted many ways.
They let you determine what it means to you.
Yes, correct.
Every bank it's whatever you determine.
Yes, here's what we say, interpret it how you wish.
Yeah.
Some banks are a little bit looser than others, some are a little bit tighter than others on what it actually means. I think going forward, as they see that the Canadian government has enough regulations and the banks are controlling themselves relatively well, that I think eventually they're going to loosen up on that and it won't be as onerous as it is right now. I mean, that's just my opinion.
Yeah, Dave Curry, our elder statesman here, always says like an elastic band, it stretches out but it comes back eventually, and we're just in that time period where they want a lot of information. So,
correct, exactly.
Thomas, congratulations again for your nominee and best of luck, and we hope you get it next year. Thomas Squires from Optimum Mortgage. Thank you. This week we're talking about renewals. We're talking about renewals from one specific lender, Tangerine, formerly ING. ING was taken over, the Canadian operation was taken over by Scotiabank. They were predominantly bought for their deposit money. They were a great lender, they had great rates, very transparent. Prepayment privileges were excellent. They still have great prepayment privileges. However, since it's now Tangerine, that mortgage book that's coming up for renewal this year, next year, any year, the bank is not as competitive with those rates anymore. A lot of our clients are calling us and saying, MonsterMortgage.ca, you guys put us with ING 5 years ago, they were great. Now, however, they're not competitive. Their rates are 50, 100 basis points higher. It's true. So if you have a Tangerine/ING mortgage coming up, and whether we put you into it, another broker put you into it, or you did it yourself, make sure you give us a call, because I'm telling you, these guys are just not that competitive anymore when it comes to the mortgage book. And I can tell you that there's a lot of lenders out there who are very competitive, very hungry to get your business. They would love to have you as a client. There's no collateral charge on the Tangerine mortgage, so it can be transferred over without any fees. So make sure, for all those people who have orange letterhead on their mortgage, give us a call. I'm sure we can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's show at Hot Property Online. If you'd like to see more shows, subscribe below. Also, if you have any questions, you can tweet us at MonsterMTG. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much.